My name is Michelle, and I just wanted to take a minute and share about Prosper.com and how they helped me and just completely saved my wedding, to be honest. First of all, I never heard of them. Like, a friend is the one who told me about them, and when she first mentioned them, I was like, wait, what? Who? Prosper.com, peer-to-peer lending? What? Like, I had no idea. And in case you haven't, they're basically like a wedding loan service, so they will loan you money, and seriously, they saved my wedding because, like most weddings, I think I was over budget, and I was freaking out when I finally realized how much over budget I was, because it was like 3 weeks to my wedding and we'd already booked the reception and the catering and all these different things that I couldn't get deposits back on. And you can't cancel 3 weeks out. That's way too close. People had already booked flights and stuff, and so I was just dying on the inside. And that was when a friend of mine told me about Prosper.com, and so I went and I checked them out because at that point I really would have tried anything. And I was pleasantly surprised because they were really, really easy. You do the paperwork really fast, and I actually got the money pretty fast too, which was really nice. And so I actually got a $9,000 loan from them, and I had enough left over that I was still able to make a honeymoon out of it. And so they really, truly saved my wedding, and I was able to enjoy the day and not stress about how I was going to pay for all of this because I had the loan and it helped me out, and it was exactly what I needed at exactly the right time. And so I just wanted to take a minute and share about them. And for any other brides, if you are freaking out about how to pay for it and you need a loan, Prosper.com is phenomenal, and I highly, highly recommend them. So check them out if you haven't.
Hey Prosper, I just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you and to let you know what it is that you did for me. I was in a really tough situation where I lost my job after almost 6 years of being there, and after being off for months of work, I just was really in a bad situation. I needed to have money. I was getting behind on bills. I applied for a loan. Didn't think I was going to get it because my credit's not that good, but I got it. And I used it to start a hot dog stand. Not very glamorous, but I am making money. I'm making more than my other job, and I just so appreciate you giving me the opportunity. And I gotta say thank you so much. Oh, and definitely I will be telling my friends and family all about Prosper.
Hey guys, we just wanted to let you know about our experience with the Prosper peer-to-peer lending program. Me and my wife were looking to buy a home, but we had about $12,000 in credit card debt, and this was preventing us from getting a mortgage. So we went to Prosper to get a loan to consolidate the credit cards and pay off the balances. We got a loan for $17,000, and we were able to pay off the cards, which increased my credit score by about 90 points. And we had enough left over to put, towards the house down payment. So folks, if you've been, to the banks or other places and you've been denied, I would say give Prosper a try. I mean, they have a really unique system. It's pretty simple. It's fast. Plus, you don't need any collateral or documentation. And also, when you apply, it will not lower your credit score, which we liked a lot. And so I hope this information was helpful for you, and of course I wish you all the best. Good luck.